Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off spelling suggestions in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off spelling suggestions on Gmail, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. It's called settings. Click on settings. Now click on see all settings. In settings, click on general tab and scroll down. Here you will find spelling, and spelling suggestions is turned on right now. It's default. You will find another option here is spelling suggestions off. Just click here to turn it off. Now spelling suggestions turn off in my Gmail account, and you need to save change. Scroll down. Here you will find a button save changes. Just click on save changes. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.